Hi folks, welcome back to Shivaji Vlogs. So in this video, I'm going to share you a cat tracker, so which will be really helpful in your cat preparation. In this, you can actually keep track of your everyday's performance and as well as your mock scores. Using this cat tracker, you can really identify your weakness, your strength, and which area you are capable of, how much syllabus you have completed. Because these kind of doubts you basically get when you are preparing. I mean, when you are doing self preparation, right? So that's why I created this cat tracker after discussing with lot of cat toppers, because I used to take one-to-one interviews and discuss so many things with cat toppers. So after that only they gave me this kind of idea about keeping track of your everyday activities. Okay, so this thing really helped me. Like last year and all, my score was really weak. Like I used to score only 25 to 35 only in all the mocks and all. Even I put so much of efforts in preparing, but because I don't know. I mean, I can't able to keep track of my performance. I can't able to identify in which area my strength is, which is my weakness and all. But after creating this cat tracker, my scores are drastically improving. Like I used to get double the marks since the last year because of this actual cat tracker. So come, let's get into the tracker.
But if you close your eyes,
So this is how the cat tracker looks like. So what I say, this is basically I'm making for mocks. Okay, so this is mocks test schedule. So I used to make a plan, like in this month how many mocks I'm going to take, what is my target score and all. So this is like these are not my actual marks. Like I just uploaded some random inputs. So this is how we need to maintain the thing, like mock test schedule. And you can plan your month, like in this month I'm going to take how many mocks, this is my target score, how much I have achieved so far. So these are the plan till a rough plan till November. Like till November I'm going to take actually 32 marks and all. So this is the main thing, you need to have a plan for a month for your actual mocks. Then for mock scores, so after taking every mocks, I used to upload this, like in which date I have taken the test, like what is my VRC attempt questions, how much I'm getting correct, how much is incorrect, how much score I'm getting, how much accuracy I have maintained, how many negative marks I'm getting. Same like DALR, quants, and same like overall. So number of in overall how much I am attempting, like at least I'm attempting the 30-32 range, how many questions I'm getting correct, my scores are okay, it's keep on improving. This is my accuracy rate. This is what somehow the basic percentile I used to score. So so first you need to schedule this, then you need to take the mocks. After taking mocks, you need to enter your mocks over here. Then you can, this is like mock analysis. So this is how I used to, most of the students like used to analyze this. Like this is like VRC, DALR, quant you can mark. After that, attempt rate, accuracy rate, percentile, score, target, how much you are aiming for and how much you are getting. So then comes an unattempted question. For that, why you didn't unattempted? Because you have forgotten the concept, or the question is super very high level of difficulty, or you have never seen that and due to time pressure you just miss the question. Then wrong attempt. For wrong attempt, it will be like two wrong attempt means because of getting negative marks. Why I got negative marks? I did some silly mistake or calculation mistake, or I just did some guesswork and got it wrong. After that, right attempt. So for every right attempt, you can analyze whether I am using a lengthy approach. If I am using that lengthy approach, it comes under here. So for averages, if I did some lengthy approach, I used to mark average over here. Fastest method. So these topics and all, I could easily figure out the fastest method, and I could able to solve within 2 minutes. So this is how I used to analyze the mocks. After every mocks, I used to fill this and what went wrong, I used to analyze. After that, strategy. Okay, what kind of strategy I am following in this mock? Uh, Not in this mock. Like after taking mock, you can enter this. Okay, in this mock I followed this strategy and it went really good. So for example, in VA during this mock I attempted first VA first, then I came to RC. So I can luckily use to achieve my target question like 15 question I could easily able to attempt this time using this strategy. And for DALR I use this like scanning for a couple of minutes. And then I used to select two sets. Then I used to solve the easiest one first, followed by the next one. 10 minutes. If I got stuck, I couldn't able to solve that set. Then I used to skip for the next set. So the duration is maximum 10 minutes, which I set for my pace. Okay. Maybe it will be very less for you. So those things you can mark it over here. So this thing I followed in this mock, not for this is not the strategy I used to use for all the mocks, but for this mock I used this strategy. Then for quants like round technique, round one easy doable. This is everyone used to do. So this is mock analysis. Likewise, you mock 2, mock 3 and all, you can easily just copy paste and you can just follow it. Then scope of improvement. So scope of improvement in this page, this is the collection of data after 5 to 6 mocks. Okay. This mock analysis, it's for the one mock, which the recent mock which I took. But the scope of improvement is collection of all the mocks from mock 1 to mock 10, what are I am doing. I used to enter here. So this is the strategy thing. Like after taking my next mock, I used to follow this and I used to learn from this. After that only I used to go for the next mock. So here VRC, this old test strategy, VA first, RC next. So for me, it works good, better than RC first and VA next. So then focus on accuracy instead of attempt. So these are a basic things you can keep track. For DLR, try to understand the set. It is the most important. Select the set wisely. Try to read it in the first go. So these are the small things. For quants, stop loss method, crucial to go all the question. Build a strategy for it. It's like improving one by one. Like next target. After doing my, this is like final target. 30 marks, 30 marks, 30 marks, overall 90. But what is my next target? Next target is okay, try to score 20 in all the sections. Then slowly you can improve one by one. Okay, this is how like August timeline looks like. It's like timeline which I created for myself. Okay, I'm taking August 1, my mock. So August 1 is for mock. August 2 mock analysis, analyze the whole where you've gone wrong. August 3 is improvement lab. Go through weak topics again or the topics which you are not familiar with. You want some kind of revision for that to improve in the next mock. So because I'm just working, so that's why I can't able to take mock and analysis in the same day. That's why I have mock analysis on the next day. But if you are preparing for the full time, you have time to take the mock and analyze it in that day. So kindly do that. So this is like timeline looks this is like vacation. I'm going out for those days and all. So if you follow this, for example, if you take like daily task of my June, July and all. So in June, July and all, I used to have some targets. Okay, weekly targets. How I used to set. Okay, this week I am going to take at least 14 hours, like every day 2 hours. So 14 hours is VA is 30. Like this is like VA. I'm going to take VA 30, like either para jumble, para summary, or a mixture of both. Then I am planning to solve at least 10 DLR sets. For quants, I'm going to solve 50 topic, 50 sums, sorry, 50 sums. Then article, 4 articles I'm going to read. So this is how I keep track of all those things. This is the target, like work done. How much, this is like topic wise, I have marked like in July 1, July 2 and all what I need to follow, like linear quadratic equation, concept studio watched as basic one, level one test I solved as basic two told as. Then we can add past year papers. Last year papers as I have solved in this topic. So this if you follow these kind of things, you have a proper thing to follow. Like see This I used to plan, and if it is July, I have created this schedule in June itself. Okay, in June itself, I used to have a complete map for the next to 1 month, like what I am going to do, how I am going to improve my preparation, how I am going to improve my mocks and all. That's how you can slowly, steadily, you can boost your scores. So these are the things I followed and I prepared for myself. This is like articles, some free resources articles from where you can read variety of articles. In most of the articles, they used to directly come in cat also. Like these are all like concepts videos. If you are preparing for, if you are doing self preparation, then this will be really helpful for you. So quants. Uh, so for averages, if you want to watch any topic, if you click here, it will drop you to the page. Like mostly Rodha sir video. Number system, modern max, like for everything I used to, the best video which I feel like this is the best for this topic, I just copy paste the link and paste it over here. For DALR, crank you elite grades, like 2IM, every data is over here, so it will be really helpful for those people who are doing self preparation. So parajumbles and all, if you have doubt, you can just click here and watch the concept video. Then you can identify, okay, this is how I need to learn and all. So this is like question banks where you can, this is for practice question bank. For previous and all, you can prefer to, I am Bodhi Prep is there, RC99, which is really helped me a lot in understanding the RC. So this is how the cat tracker is. So using this cat tracker, you can actually, improve your performance. You can keep track of your performance. You can identify the weak zone, strong zone. It will be really helpful to analyze your mock scores and all. Then for concepts videos and all, you can use this like when these are like free resources. Okay, everything I get it from YouTube and some free resources in the website. I just copy paste and drag it over here, so that to make it very simple, if I use open this cat tracker, I can easily perform everything and all, like I can easily learn everything. So that's why I created this cat tracker. So if you want this cat tracker, you can just text me in Instagram. My Instagram ID is in description. You can just text me. I can just forward it to your mail ID, or I can just share the link. You can just copy paste and start your performance. Like I basically created this for students who are doing self preparation. So for them, it will be really helpful because I have so much of free content over here. And also I used to do one-to-one mentorship for them. Lot of students after watching my videos, they used to text me and they used to have a lot of doubts, so I used to clear them. Okay, this for this I used to charge very minimal fee. Okay, because I have created this so many things for, basically I am doing this all for students who are doing self preparation, to somehow need to give some proper guidance to achieve their dream B school and all. So that's why I'm just doing this for. So if you want, you can just text me in Instagram. I hope this video will be really helpful for you. So if you want more such content, you can just drop your comments in the comment section so that I could know and I could do or make better videos like this. Okay, bye.
Don't worry, be happy.